Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to upvote a post in Parler. So let's go to the Parler application, and for today's example we'll be using our own post. You can see it right there. So to upvote the post, as you can see there's a arrow pointing upwards icon, and all you have to do is just to click on it. And that's how you upvote a post in Parler. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and a comment on this video, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.